loogies. Loogies. No man's land, bro. You're in no man's land. You gotta get out of no man's land. Guys, it's been a minute. It has been a minute. Like months of minutes. But, as you can see, winter is no longer. It's gone. So what have I been doing? Oh my gosh, you guys, I've been doing so many things with the channel. I've got so many deals in the works. It's insane. I've got a line of motordadcle socks coming out that are gonna knock your socks off because you'll have to put on these new socks. I got a line of really fancy heavy pens that are like sick. You could do all your writing needs with these sick motordadcle pens. Pretty exciting stuff. I got a line. What the This guy is like right behind me, and then this guy. What else do I have going on with the channel besides the socks and the pens? I have a line of hair gel that's coming out that is just so dope. You guys are all gonna want the Get the Slick Up hair gel, which on the bottle says Get the Slick Up, which is pretty funny and cool. What else? I've actually been doing nothing. I don't have anything. I'm sorry, guys. I don't have a line of socks. I don't have pens. I don't have the hair gel. I'm just lying to you guys because I feel like every other motor vlogger out there is doing that kind of stuff, and I just think it's kind of dumb, and I don't have any of that stuff. So if you were actually looking forward to motordadcle socks, I apologize. It's the last time I'm gonna lie to you guys ever. It was wrong of me. Wasn't very Canadian. It's been winter here forever, and I didn't have any footage to sustain the channel through the winter, so I just stopped doing anything. And then the YouTube's been like really stupid. Oh, look at that guy, man. He's got so much. Dang. YouTube's been really stupid lately, man. They demonetized my channel because I don't have 4,000 hours of watch time in a year, and that's because in Canada you can't ride a motorcycle all year, and because I don't really care about watch time. So I guess I'm not going to make my 4 cents a month or whatever the f they were paying me, so it doesn't really matter to me. I don't care. I wasn't making very much. Not even 4 cents a month. Hey, yeah, cool, dude. Super cool car, man. Holy sh**. Did you see that pothole? That could have swallowed me up whole, man. Oh, we really like formed a little motorcycle gang here. It's pretty sick. The cop is arresting that Doritos delivery truck. Not allowed to deliver Doritos at this time of day, sir. Oh, yeah. It's got like sack of somebody's torso in there, it looked like. That guy did not seem very trustworthy, that gentleman. Yeah. I totally smoked that guy. Totally, that guy was just wrecked. Oh, fire truck. That is so dope. Oh yeah, but I forgot to tell you that all the things that I lied to you about, like the socks and stuff like that. This vlog is sponsored by Bananas. Wherever you get your bananas, go check them out. Like Bananas on Facebook, whatever. Bananas. They come with their own case. Oh yeah, I got that full face, yo. Oh, beautiful view! It's the wheel deal. Wheel of Fortune. Train, very fitting for the first vlog of the season. Oh, this scoop behind me is like Follow Town. He is on me like peanut butter on a sandwich. That didn't make. Well, it doesn't make sense actually. F you. It's funny. Oh, that's right. No more swearing on YouTube's. Yo, Scoot is still on me. Okay, we're gonna turn right, and we're gonna see if Scoots Magoots follows us here. Nope. She's got a pink construction helmet in the back of her car. What does that mean? A pink helmet? Is that like code for something? Like if you hang a sock on your doorknob? She's got a pink helmet. Get it? In the back seat with the pink helmet. Yes. Sorry, I could not wave to that old dude because there was this carnage in front of me. So I had to give him the like over-exaggerated idiot head nod. Because I don't want that guy feeling like I like brushed him off, you know? He's seniority, man. He's been riding forever. His name is like Clutch or something like that, right? I don't want to brush Clutch off. He's a cool dude, man. Wait. No. It's up here. Wait. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Okay, so that's Lake Ontario out there. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. It's beautiful. Oh god. Handle this turn with caution. Looks like we'll go directly into the freaking lake if we spill out here. So this is a water treatment plant. There's a freaking castle, it looks like. Should have parked in the shade. Parking in the shade keeps Betty cool. Let's go see what we can see, huh? Did you guys know about this? I'm gonna put my keys in my pocket so I don't lose them. Yeah, look at this. Poison ivy. Dog's gotta be on a leash. Nothing about helmets. See? I'm on sand. It's a beach. Look at that. Cool, right? Big breaker wall thing. Look at that, dude. Winter coat, hood up, gloves. It's got an air mattress. If you can see, there's like cliffs way right down there. That is the Scarborough Bluffs. There's massive cliffs. It doesn't even look like you're in Canada. This dude wants to get a picture for the GTA motorcycle forum. Let's see. Alright, I'll check back with you in a minute. Okay, so that dude in the yellow Suzuki just came f***ing hauling ass. So he just came hauling ass. Sorry, I just stopped the thing. I just stopped the thing and he came around hauling ass. And I heard him revving the shit out of his engine there. He comes around here and look at the skid. Here's the skid mark here. Skid starts to turn. Goes down. Here's his turn signal. Here's more turn signal. There's the f***ing yellow off of his bike. He slams. There's where his peg hit, right there. So he slammed. There's, look at gas, everything. Oh, he was hauling ass around the corner. There's sand everywhere. What does he expect, right? There's another piece. There's his mirror. So yeah, and then like gas and brake fluid all over the place. Ah, that sucks. I stopped it to go on my phone, and then he comes ripping around. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna stop the camera again. And if another guy comes around the corner, it's gonna be ridiculous. Man, I wish I didn't stop the camera because it was a relatively gentle. I mean, I don't know, he said he was okay. He hit the curb for sure. You can see the paint from his bike on the actual curb. So I went over to ask him, are you alright? Like, did you hit the curb? Did your leg hit the curb? He said no, it threw him onto the grass. So he said he was alright. I was like, okay. He just wanted to get the heck out of here though. I think he was pretty embarrassed. I mean, it doesn't impress me to rip around the corner like that, but he just shot up. He sprung right up onto his feet and was like, oh man, that was crazy. And then he's like, puts his hand out, hey man. And I'm like, hey. I don't remember what his name was. I was like, what the hell did you just do to yourself? Good for him though for getting back up again and just getting on his bike, dude. Whoever you are, you're nuts. You are nuts. Oh, I have a place to take you guys. Okay, see that police car? Remember that police car, okay guys? It's a Ford, it's gray, black like hubcaps. Next vlog, I'm gonna take you guys to a secret stash. Oh my god, it's so sandy here, and I just saw that guy wreck. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna have to look it up so I have more info for you guys, but it's in this like really like sketchy industrial part of town, and it's a parking lot that's filled with those cars, with those police cars. But they don't have any like stickers on them yet. They don't have any decals or anything. They're just gray. It's like they came from the factory as like police interceptors, I think they're called. And they're just waiting to get all the decals. They don't have any lights on them or anything yet, like the lights on the roof. They don't have any of that yet. So they're just waiting to become like real life police cars. Next vlog, I'm gonna have another sponsor. Today's, don't forget, sponsored by Bananas. And if you guys have any suggestions on sponsors that I should go after for my next vlog, please, down below in the comments, leave a comment what sponsor I should get. And trust me, with how amazing my content is and how popular my channel is, I'll be able to get anybody. I mean, I got Bananas, right? An entire category of fruit sponsors me. It's not even just like Chiquita banana, because I was gonna go there, but I was like, no man, I can go bigger. I can go bigger than Chiquita banana. I can go like Bananas. Alright, so this is where Betty sleeps. I'll see you guys. Sticks there, yeah. Those are all in order, very good. Oh yeah, by the way, where do you put oil when you're done with it? I don't know. Alright, later guys.